Hi guys, it's David Stewart from Ultimate Wealth Solutions, and today I'm going to take you through Affiliate Marketing 101. So here we are, largely smaller, with my microphone in my hands. Okay, let's go through this. So, as an affiliate marketer, what you are going to need, all right, is you're going to, first of all, every marketer needs traffic. All right, I'm not talking about cars, vans, and motorcycles. I am talking about internet traffic, which is people, all right, which you're going to present your affiliate link and you're going to try and get them to click on to your link. So you're probably thinking, where am I going to get traffic? Well, there's loads of places you get traffic. You get traffic of social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You could do it by emails or blogging, or making videos on YouTube. There's loads of different ways you could get traffic, right? So once you've got traffic, the next thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to get a tracking link, all right? And you're going to send these people through a tracking link. And the reason why you want a tracking link and you want to send people through a tracking link, which will sit right here, it's not in this model here, but you need it. And the reason why you need it is because if you're getting traffic coming in from different sources, all right, you're going to want to know where these people are coming from. So you know which ads are doing the best and which ads are not doing very well. All right, so you need a tracking link. Now, this is where the most of affiliate marketers do a massive mistake. Is basically you usually get their traffic and they'll send them straight to the product. Now, by doing that, all right, as you can see up here, is 1.2% of people who are going to see your offer are going to buy and then they're going to leave. All right, so if you're sending your people straight to the product, all right, 1.2% are going to buy and then they're going to leave. So let's think about this. So that means that people are going to buy. You could sell them this product once and they're gone. The people who don't buy, right, you're never going to be able to sell to them or pitch to them ever again. So by doing that model, you're going to be wasting a lot of money or you're going to be wasting a lot of time, depending on if you're paying for your traffic or if you're paying for your traffic by organic sources, by giving a lot of your time to get these people in. So what you need to do is once you have your traffic, you send them through your affiliate link, which is going to be a tracking link. You are going to send them to through a sales funnel. And a sales funnel will always come in with an opt-in page, all right? An opt-in page, squeeze page, or capture page, whatever you want to call it, is basically designed so your people, which are here, or your traffic, comes in and you are going to offer them something in exchange of their email address. So once they've given you their email address, all right, these people are going to go to your pre-sales funnel. If you wish to do so, you don't need to have that section, or you could send them straight to the product. Now, the 1.2% who are going to leave, all right, or even the 1.2% who do buy, now that they've bought the product or now that they've left, they are on your email address. So here you're going to need an autoresponder. All right. So from your autoresponder, then you could build an email sequence, which is very important. Every single affiliate marketer should have a good email sequence. And from this email sequence, what you're going to do is you're going to offer them value. You're going to offer them value. Very important, because this is where most affiliate marketers get it wrong, and this is what gives most affiliate marketers a bad name. Is most of the times they're going to do an email sequence and they're going to spam, say buy. The more you're going to ask somebody to buy, the less reluctant they are going to buy from you. So the way you do that is you're going to offer them tons of value, you're going to build a relationship with them, and you're going to make sure that they trust you. Once they trust you, you've built a relationship with them, then you'll send them towards the product. Now, it's very important that you always have multiple products and you don't try and sell this one product, because again, all right, this market and these products are not one size fits all. Maybe somebody will be interested in one of your products, but they might, but it doesn't mean that everybody else will be interested in your product. So the person who sees your first product, if they don't buy, they might not need it, they might not want it, but by having them on an email address, you could then send them another product that you think will help them fulfill their needs. All right. So let's go back to our model here. All right. So they come through, you go for your tracking link, they hit your opt-in page. From your opt-in page, they're going to go to a pre-frame funnel if you wish to do so, or they'll go straight to one of your products. From one of your products, 1.2 is going to buy, and the rest is going to leave. But not to worry, because going through this opt-in page now, you have an autoresponder and you're going to put an email sequence. And from that email sequence, you are going to offer them value. And then every so often, you're going to send them back to the product. In the same time, all right, as a good marketer, not every single affiliate marketer likes to do this, but I'm a great believer in this, is you are going to have your home on the internet, your stake in the ground, your hub. This is your home, all right? And the reason why I'm a great believer in a home on the internet is because platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google, and everything, they all change their algorithm quite often. So if you rely on one of these platforms, as in Facebook, for having your traffic and your prospects, all right, and they change their algorithm, you could lose your business overnight, all right? So that's why I'm a great believer in having your own hub, your own internet platform where you could build you could put videos on there, you could put training, you could put products, you could put whatever you want. And what I usually do is once I have people hitting my opt-in page, and if they don't buy my products and they go to my mailing list, what I do is I'll send them an email, send them to my hub, my home on the internet, where they could read about who I am, what I do, what I have to offer, and how I could help them. And then from there, every so often, again, I'll give them value, and then I'll send them back to the product. Now, this here, all right, let's actually, before I continue, let's go on to the retargeting. On your opt-in page, people will come and see the product you're going to give, or whatever you're going to give in exchange of their email. If somebody comes here to your opt-in page and doesn't give you their email and leave, you could put what's called a retargeting pixel onto your page. Now, what is a retargeting pixel? Let me explain this as easy as possible without demonstrating. Basically, have you ever been on a website and then left that website, not purchased the product, and then left the website, and then when you go, for example, into your emails, you see ads from that website. You go to check the weather, you see ads from that website. You go to a news website or whatever, you'll get ads from that website you've just checked and you've not bought. That is called retargeting. Basically, you've reached their page, they had a retargeting pixel on their page, you didn't buy, and now they're following you on the internet, putting their ads in front of you, trying to get you to click on their ads. That is what retargeting is, and it's amazing for marketers because it's extremely cheap to run ads, and it's extremely effective. All right, so let's recap. So this is what you need, all right, to start and to become an affiliate marketer. First of all, you're going to need traffic, all right? So I explained to you how you could get traffic. You get them from social media, email drops. There's hundreds and hundreds of ways you could get traffic. If you want a good course on traffic, I will give you a link below, all right? I am in the middle of doing my own traffic course, but right now it's not ready. But when it does come out, it will be free. This one I'm going to give you here is very in-depth. It's an amazing course, but it's not free. It's pretty expensive. But the way I see it is you shouldn't be cheap on your way to success. Do not cut corners on your way to success, because you'll make your life a lot harder. And if you don't have the money, you could always go to YouTube. They've got hundreds of videos, and you could find out how to get traffic pretty easily. All right. The next thing you're going to need, all right, is a funnel, a sales funnel, or an opt-in page at the least. All right. And again, there's loads of builders out there who will show you and teach you how to build an opt-in page and how this works, capture page. You could get them with your, normally with your autoresponder, you could get them. I use a company called ClickFunnels. There's also one called Lead Pages. All right. If you want, I'll put a link below for the one I use. You could go and have a look at it. As far as I know, it's got a 14-day free trial on it, and it's got tons and tons of training showing you how to build a funnel. It is super easy. All right. So then the next thing you're going to need, all right, again, you'll build your pre-frame funnel in the same thing, funnel builder or opt-in page builder. And the next thing you're going to need is an autoresponder. Now, in the affiliate marketing world, there's a lot of autoresponders. There's a lot of companies what allowed you to send emails. Now, the good thing is, if you don't know what an autoresponder is, an autoresponder allows you to preload a set of emails. You could preload 5 months, 6 months, even a year if you want to, worth of emails preloaded in your email sequence to send to whoever comes onto your list at certain days, certain times of the days, whenever you want it. So that's how you build a passive income. Once you get people hitting and they come to your autoresponder is going to send them emails and it's going to sell for you. That's the beauty of it. Now, I do know there's a few autoresponders out there what do not like affiliate links and affiliate marketers. So the one I use is GetResponse. GetResponse are affiliate marketers friendly. They allowed you to put affiliate links on it. And it's a general all good autoresponder. Again, if you want to have a look at it, you've got a 14-day free trial if you click through the link. All right. And if you need some training on it, my next video is going to be on GetResponse. So make sure to subscribe and click the bell. And as soon as that video comes out, you'll be able to get it straight up and check out how to set up your autoresponder. Now, the next thing you're going to need, again, like I say, is a hub, a home on the internet. There's loads of ways you could do that. You need a hosting company. Again, I'll do a video on how to select and build your hub. It's once you get it, it could be complicated to start with, but once you get it, it could be pretty easy. I use a company called eStage, and they also have a thing called eStage Academy. Again, I'll put the link below if you want it. And basically, eStage is a template and everything's there. And eStage Academy is basically a dummy's guide on how to build your website. and it'll look like a 10,000 to 30,000 pound website once you're finished. I assure you that, right? So the other thing you're going to need is products. You're going to need a multitude of different products. Now, there's different places you could go. You could go to ClickBank. You could go to JVZoo. Again, I'll put the links below if you want to go and check them out. They're basically platforms. You could sign up for free, and you could promote anything on their platform. I'll also go a step further, and I'll give you a link below to my affiliate programs that I use, which I have used to replace my my full-time income. All right, and I'll give it to you to download. You could use it, and you could promote these companies too. Now, the good thing is with the companies, what I'm going to give you on my list, they are all recurring income. So basically what I mean is somebody will sign up for a software, which will be a monthly software, and because you refer them, you'll get paid every single month. Some of them vary in between 30 to 40, even 50% recurring income. So it's definitely worth having a look. Check the list out, and hopefully you'll get great value from it. So that is pretty much it. If I've lost you on the way at any point, please post a comment below. I'll be more happy to get back to you and reply to you on any questions you have. And please, if you enjoyed this video, if you do think you got any value from it, please hit the bell and give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And hopefully I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. I'm David Stewart at Ultimate Wealth Solutions. Goodbye.